Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am exploring the latest collection of flat sandals for girls. Flat sandals are the perfect mix of style and comfort. You can wear them casually at work or even on a vacation. Let's start with some classic everyday flat. These natural tuned sandals match any outfit, perfect for jeans, dresses, or skirt. Next, we have strapping flat sandals. They add a elegant touch of any summer look. Pair them with flowing dress for a chic vibe. For a casual day out or go with simple slip on flats. They are easy to wear and super lightweight. Flat sandals are great for long walk and comfort. Check out these cute pastel sandals, soft color and are trending this season. For a bold statement, try bright colored flats. Yellow, red, or neon shades stand out. Next, we have embroidered flat sandals, perfect for cultures or festivals outfits. They add a touch of traditional elegance. Animals print flat sandals are also in trend this year. Leopard and snake printed give a fashionable edge. For a beach day, go for waterproof flat sandals. About minimalistic leathers flat, they are versatile and can be styled for formal look. Perfect for office wear or meetings. For extra comfort, choose padded sole flat. They keep your feet relaxed all day long. Flat sandals are ideal for summer wardrobe. They keep your feet cool and stylish. You can style them with maxi dresses or pair them with wrappered jeans for a casual vibe. For wedding events too, beaded flat sandals. They add sparkle without sacrificing comfort. Standard flats are also a great trending option. They give a modern edge look. They pair perfectly with shorts and skirt for a soft feminine touch. Choose floor design flats. They are super cute for spring and summers. Mix and match color to create unique look. Always pick flat with good arch support. That why you stay comfortable all day. You can dress flat up or down easily. Silver and gold flats add glamour instantly. For a Bahu vibes, try tussle or French flats. Experiment to find your perfect flat sandal styles. Remember comfort, style, perfect footwear. Which flat sandals styles was your favorite? Comment below and share with your thought. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You in the next video. Thank you. Bye.